It's time for a little fun!
Twinkle, twinkle, lazy croc, sleeping by the river dock, lying still the whole day long. Pip wonders what could be wrong. Twinkle, twinkle, lazy croc, snoozing by the river dock. Eyes wide open though he sleeps, watching everything that creeps. Not so lazy after all, waiting patient for his call. Eyes wide open though he sleeps, Pip tiptoes away he creeps. Splish and splash the Croc slides in, water rippling past his chin. Long green tail goes swish, 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 hunting for his favorite fish. Splish and splash the Croc slides in, Pip cheers loudly with a grin. On the sunny river bank, Croc just lies there damp and dank, mouth wide open in the sun. Birds fly in when day is done. On the sunny river bank, Pip says, Croc, you need no rank.
Aren't my teeth shiny
Snap,
and
snap,
strong?
snap, the jaws go wide, nothing getting past inside. Sharp white
Aren't my
teeth in
teeth
rows
shiny
so
and
neat.
strong?
Pip says, Croc, that is a feat. Snap, 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 the jaws go wide. Pip stands safely to the side. Baby Crocs go cheep, 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 hatching from their eggs asleep. Mama Croc calls soft and low, watching all her babies grow. Baby Crocs go cheep, cheep, cheep. Pip says, what a family deep. Twinkle, twinkle, lazy Croc, not so lazy round the clock. Patience